This tutorial is on modifying the chart of accounts, changing account names or adding new accounts. For example, if you wanted to change an account name, for example in equity, where we have drawings and capital, you might want to change it to your name. So click on the account. It's an equity account. We are not changing that or the name, but the code, but we are changing the name. So I will now make it Tony's Drawings and save. Another account that you will want to change the name, it's under Assets, and it is a trailer disposal account. You can click on that and call it whatever the asset it is that we are going to dispose of. That will be dependent on the exercise that you are doing. We're now going to look at adding other new accounts. So there's two very important things to get right once we go into add an account, and that is the account type and the tax setting. So the account type must be correct so that it'll end up in the right place in our financial statements. And the tax must be correct so GST is correctly accounted for. So the example I'm going to show you is cost of goods sold being created for COA. So the account type, it's a direct cost. The code, so you need to be familiar with your chart of accounts, and it's a 300 number. The name, I'm calling it COA, cost of goods sold, not bothering with a description. And the tax setting, because cost of goods sold is an internal transfer, we are not wanting GST. You have to change that. On the other hand, inventory and property, plant and equipment asset accounts would have the 15% GST on expenses. So it's up to you to make sure the GST is set correctly. At the default one, it will always be what you want. Once you're happy with that, save.